Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's that time of year again. I think it's time we cut to the cheesy music.
Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know? Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know?
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1, everybody.
Day 1. Of course, for being here, we have to check out Winter Wonderland.
We've actually got in here.
Yeah, I know, we have a good amount of space. But I think it's going to be busy later tonight.
Yeah. We're not going to be here for long.
No. But if you've never been to Winter Wonderland, it is basically a huge winter Christmas fair with lots of sort of huts to buy food, like Christmassy style foods, rides and everything.
And it's very busy.
It gets very busy on the weekend, so be prepared. Look at this! It's a Christmas tree and you're in little baubles. There's also a button. What does the button do? I have no idea. That looks interesting. This is an interesting ride. Dr. Archibald's Master of Time. As a VR experience, yeah.
It looks pretty impressive.
I know, it's pretty good. Dinosaur. They of course have a carousel bar, which is an actual carousel bar. Bye. Enjoy your bar. You can have a drink. Don't have too many because it will spin too quickly.
Dave's starting off with a wheat beer, aren't you, Dave?
We're sharing.
Sharing. Because it's the season to share, Dave,
exactly.
isn't it?
It's easy to be jolly as well. It says I am not a plastic cup.
Woohoo.
It's really good.
Uh-oh, easy drinking beer. Watch out for him.
There's a ketchup cow somewhere. Do you not want to go on that, Steph?
Come on, Dave. You want to go on that?
Do you want to go on with the beer?
Hey, with the right momentum, it won't fall out of the cup.
It'll keep going. Who says going to Winter Wonderland you need to go on rides where you can actually milk a cow?
I don't need to do that. I can just go and milk my own ketchup and mustard out of the condiment section.
That sign looks very similar to somebody. I wonder where it could be from.
Look at the effects of the springy back.
Springy. Look at this, it's like an ice rink. But kids can use, yeah, for tricycles.
Is it ice? Yeah. Stroke the ice.
Stroke the ice. It's Christmas now.
There we go. That looks so much fun.
Turning yellow, the air is getting cold. My mind is feeling mellow. The days of fall are growing old.
So we're just checking out all the sweets in this Santa's sweet shop. It's pretty awesome. They've got chocolate fountains, white chocolate and milk chocolate, strawberries. This is the free sample section. No, I'm joking.
No, it's not.
So sorry. Excuse me there, Winter Wonderland. Are you doing Mickey caramel apples?
I see you.
Cheeky.
Oh, there's Donald there.
Technically that's Donald.
It's
Very.
coffee.
Where do we grab these from? Kitty cat.
She just put some like glitter sugar or something on it.
Yeah, I was expecting the whole coffee to be like multicoloured or something.
Fail.
Epic fail. What a big fat phony.
Oh, that's sweet, man. I should not have put sugar in it.
Do you know what this reminds me of, Steph? This reminded me of Epcot many years ago in 2008, 2009 when we worked there. And they used to have this when you walked into World Showcase.
Yeah, I remember that.
So good. Let us know in the comments section if you guys remember that as well. Beautiful. Alrighty guys, we are back from London. We didn't really vlog that much because it was super busy there, like really gridlocked. So we kind of hang out with Zoe, Merlin Ears, E69 Points, and also Babaloo as well. We were hanging out with them, and then we kind of had to head home because it was getting really busy. It was a good thing we did actually, because the trains were like 2 hours, over 2 hours just to try and get home. For some reason there was some sort of delay, but we're back now. We're going to be doing our advent calendars, which is a little bit different than what we normally do every year. We need to obviously get the house all decorated with our advent calendar sort of thing that we have on the wall like we did last year. And we're also going to be making as well in a bit some treats for the rabbits, and we want to do our own homemade treats for their advent calendars. So we're going to show you how we make them. We've made them in the past, and the rabbits have really liked them. So let's show you that, but I want to wait till Steffi gets out and then I want to show her a little advent present. It's really funny.
Hello, beautiful boy. I'm gonna have to sort out your cage because it's very dirty. It's very dirty, and I know you're after a treat, and I know it's the 1st of December, and I'm just making your advent calendar. Okay, okay, can you wait a little bit longer? Just a little tiny bit longer. Good bunnies. So yep, you have heard us right. We are actually making the rabbits advent calendar this year, because as much as the one, the shop bought one, you know, from Pets at Home is really good, they kind of get bored of it very quickly. And we know a little recipe that we got off the internet from WikiHow. Was it WikiHow?
Yeah, WikiHow, yeah.
WikiHow. And yeah, they've got a really simple recipe to make rabbit cookies, treat cookies. And yeah, it's full of, it's got all sorts in it. It's got banana, it's got food pellets, it's got carrots, it's got honey, so it's quite sugary, but I think this is the perfect little treat for an advent calendar. So let's go do it.
Yeah.
So we're getting all of our ingredients. We've got honey, we've got some banana, we've got some oats, we have some pellets. This isn't actually their feed. They normally go for an XL, but you know, we thought we'll give these a try for the treat. And a carrot. Woohoo! And that's it. And we just got to try and mush that up, grate that and blend it up into a puree. Blend that up as well, and that, mix it all together, bish bash bosh, whoosh, done. Hello everyone!
Everyone who's on the stream, we're broadcasting via you now.
And I don't know how long I could do this until copyright gets me, but you know, hi, hello Vlogmas!
So look at all these cookies. We're going to stick them in the oven. While we're baking these cookies, these guys are getting excited. Aren't you? You're getting excited. Do you want some of these cookies? Do you want some cookies? Yeah, Hogan's like, where's the cookies? Give me the cookies. I know. Hee. So here they are. We just finished baking them off. Some of them still got a bit of oat flour on them, but this is what we got. We actually got 50 cookies.
Guess what's back? It's the Disney wreath that doesn't have 2 snowmen, and I'm really sorry. I should really make the snowmen. One of you guys said, could you just make some snowmen? One day, I'll promise you, we'll make the snowmen. Okay, and if you're very new to our channel, what actually happened was we went to Walt Disney World, we bought this wreath a few years back, and then by the time it came to Christmas, we put it up and then realised we're missing 2 items, and then we figured out that it was 2 Mickey snowmen that we were missing. So yeah, so there we go. I know it kind of annoys a few of you, and I do apologise, so we will make them one day. Let's start off with day number 1. Day number 1 is a little bauble thing. Where shall I put him? I'm going to put him just there.
Yeah.
Just there. Oh yeah.
Just there.
Boop boop. So now that that is done, you're wondering what advent calendars have we got? Now, we actually haven't got any advent calendars this year because it got a little bit insane. I'm sorry, this lighting is like, is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? So yeah, sorry, rambling.
Cool. Yeah, so last year we had a lot of advent calendars, and so this year we want to do something a bit different.
Dave and I set ourselves a challenge where we created each other's advent calendars. We had like a budget of £24.
Yeah, £1 a day.
So it was average £1 a day, but you had to make sure that your packaging and stuff like that was all included in this £24, right, Dave?
Maybe.
Oh, did you go over?
I didn't get the packaging bit.
Well, you didn't get the packaging bit. Am I just going to get given it and you're not going to unwrap it?
Have we got tin foil?
So, I've done his advent calendar. Dave has done mine.
Yeah.
So, let's go and find out day number 1, shall we?
So before I give Steffi's present, I'm going to give a little backstory to some of the gifts that I've purchased. Some of them are just hilariously funny because I really wanted to be quite witty and genius.
I'm not witty on mine.
And so some of these have a purpose, some of these I just thought these are really genius. So let's start with my one. So I bought this for Steph for, this is actually for the gym. This is actually a purpose.
Oh, okay.
This is a purposeful one.
Hair tie.
So it's,
Have you just dug out one of my old hair ties?
no, I've actually purchased something.
Okay.
And so this is for the Steph when she goes to the gym.
Okay.
So she always has it on her. So let's go and give it to her. Are you scared?
Yeah, I'm really scared, Dave.
Are you really scared? Okay, let's put your hand out. Come on, put your hand out.
I'm scared. Okay. You got me a banana saver.
Put it in your gym bag, and then you've got a banana ready after your thing or before. It's a banana holder.
Oh my god, where did you get this from? How do you open it? Oh wait.
So you put your banana in there, tuck it in your gym bag, and then later on, maybe after the gym, you can eat a banana, and it's all fresh. And it's nice to carry a case.
Thank you. I'll be like, reach for the sky. This is yours. As you can tell that the box, we actually had the box. So that saved me a lot of money. So here we go.
Oh my word. You...
It's an advent calendar. Go find it. Go find your stuff. Go find number one. Oh, you found number one.
Okay.
Sorry for the rain out there.
It's a Malteser reindeer.
Yeah, just starting you off slow. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm starting you off slow as well with a banana package. Thank you very much.
So this is me and my banana. And Dave has his Maltesers.
Yeah.
I think we're going to end today's vlog, I think. So there we go. That is the first day of Vlogmas.
Yes. So be prepared for the next vlog where we're actually going to hopefully get our Christmas tree.
Oh.
So be prepared.
Yeah, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video today. If you did, give it a massive like. We really, honestly, we really do appreciate it.
Give it a banana like.
Give it a banana like. Ooh, a banana like. Ooh, so it could be up or it could be down, whichever. Yeah, and if you have not already and you're brand new to the channel, click the red button down below and subscribe, and to make sure to smash the bell button as well, so that we're notified when we bring out another Vlogmas video, which will be tomorrow. Yes. So until then, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Oh, it's time.